Good morning. This is gonna make a quick video on this SAAB SPG I just picked up. It's kind of for my own, personal video, kind of just to remember what it looked like when I first got it. Quick backstory: I sold my 900 Turbo. It was a 91 with 120,000 miles on it. Two-door hardtop, and I kind of regretted selling it a couple months ago. I'll just test the waters and see if anyone's interested in it. It sold in like 5 minutes. I had people calling me to come pick it up, so I said, you know what, I'll take the money and I'll try to find something better. And I found this SPG in Maryland on Facebook Marketplace, listed for a couple hours. Guy wanted $2,500 for it. The listing said SAAB 900. Didn't know it was an SPG. He didn't know what an SPG was. He just bought this car from a guy down the street. He owned it for like less than a week, and he wanted $2,500, and I paid him $500. When the tow guy came to pick it up, I sent him the other $2,000 and had it shipped up here for less than $400. It is a little rough, but for the most part, it's kind of rust free. It definitely has some dings and dents, especially in the back trunk here. They got this weird rusty dent patch. I don't know what they did with this, what material this is. If it's just Bondo or, I don't know. And right in the wheel well here, definitely got hit somehow. Kind of gonna have to get that pulled out. I assume when I bought it, I would have to do like a complete paint job on it anyways. The clear coat came off the roof. Other than that, the car is in pretty good shape. I mean, it's got a missing, actually the glass that goes for that marker light is in the car. I mean, grill probably needs to be repainted. Definitely needs new tires. The rims will probably clean up nice, and maybe finish those up at some point. Unfortunately, the dash is cracked like always. Not sure how crazy I want to get with replacing it, or just putting that silly carpet thing on, or pulling it out and getting vinyl put on it. I've seen a couple YouTubers do that already. The leather, it's not bad. The driver's seat, obviously the bolsters are bad. Back's not bad, and I gotta assume that it had the headliner. I don't know if you can see that in the camera, but it looks like the headliner's brand new or was replaced at some point. Who knows, 10 years ago. It's got an aftermarket radio. Still has the original equalizer. Not sure if I can get this to lighten up. It's got 170,000 miles on it, which is not really that bad. It starts up, drives, stops. That's all I can really ask for. It's missing, I just noticed trying to open the trunk, there's no latch that latches it, so you can just open the trunk. I don't know if this is aftermarket or I thought they were telescoping. I don't know. I never owned an 86, so I always had the newer, not flat nose SAABs. Panels are all there. Bumper's missing some trim. Got a dent on the back. Might need a new bumper. But I wiped down one of the wheels. They actually look pretty good. Tires are all dry rotted, but it's all right. Let's get new ones. Seals. Maybe that's rubber. But I haven't driven this car on the road yet. I just insured it. I haven't had time to go to the registry and get it registered. I'm hoping the title will work. Not sure why it has this tan carpet 1 floor mat in there. It's tan for some reason. It does fire right up. Even the door cards are not even that bad. Needs a really good cleaning. And I'll probably do that in the summer. But I'm gonna open up the hood. I haven't looked under the hood yet and check it out. Okay. Let's see. A little dirty under there. Sorry if I'm whipping the camera phone around everywhere. I'm not a professional here, but definitely need a cleaning. And, you know, nothing looks dry rotted yet. Huh. I've seen worse. Usually it's always rusty under here. The lip of that hood. Huh. Need some grease in the slides there. There's always crap in these things. Yep. New battery, he said. Big whoop. Other than that, it's just really dirty. Just leave that open. Uh-oh. Ollie, what's up, buddy? Are you trying to lock me out? You watching Blippi? Cool. All right, I'll be right in, okay? Well, that's about it. Just want to document what it looks like on day 1. I'm going to be registering it, new tires, getting a car wash, and then bringing it probably down to Dave at SAAB Guru Rocky Top to have him kind of go through the car, just tell me what it needs. Definitely don't want to break anything. What's up, bud? All right. We'll make another video maybe in another month when things on the road.